Hello and welcome to Reviews with Whitney D. I'm Whitney D. Let's get into it, shall we? It's just my reviews. I mean, hey, I digress.
I'm Whitney.
It's exciting.
What up, you? Tell me what you think down in the comments below. Why are you there to become a witness? Click that subscribe button and join the gang, all right? And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so very much. Sharing is caring. Please take out the time to share this video. If you want to support me, the best way is to do one of the two things, okay? Subscribe or share, okay? Either way, I'd rather you do both, but you know. But either way, do not forget to click that notification bell so you know every time I upload. Thank you so very much. This has been Reviews with Whitney D, and I am she, signing off. Bye.
Signing off. Deuces.